For our garlic cheese bread, we're gonna start with the compound butter. The compound butters can be flavored with different things. Here I'm using some fresh thyme. Here with the roasted garlic. Grab your knife, slice. Here with the red chili flakes for a bit of kick. Here with the finely grated mature cheddar. You could also use parmesan. Here with the freshly grounded black pepper. You could also add a bit of the white pepper if you like. And some of this truffle salt. Now you want to mix this until everything comes together. It would be best if the butter is at room temperature, then you can easily combine this. You see it's beautifully coming together. You're absolutely gonna love this. Now if you want, you can roll the compound butter into a log and you can then store it in the fridge and use it for your steaks, vegetables, etc. To make our garlic cheese bread, get thick pieces of fresh bread. You could also use baguette. Slice some of the compound butter as well and bring it to room temperature. Lightly toast the bread and place it here. Add a generous amount of compound butter onto there and spread that. Trust me, this is one of the best cheesy garlicky bread that you're gonna try. Your mouth is gonna be absolutely watering. And now we're gonna add a generous amount of cheese onto there. Use cheddar, use a bit of parmesan, you can use any cheese you like, as long as it melts. And a bit more cheese. There's never enough cheese, trust me. And now this goes into the oven broiler until the cheese is completely melted. Our mouth-watering garlic cheese bread. Done. It looks so delicious. You know, first I'm gonna try with garlic bread. It looks so good. Bismillah. Wow. Trust me when I say this, this is one of the best garlic cheese bread that you will ever try. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.